Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So this is Diwali period, right? A lot of people start cleaning their homes, offices and even their shops. So I have a gadget that can be very useful for everybody. Thing is, I was actually looking to buy a wireless vacuum cleaner for my mom. We already had a wired vacuum cleaner at home, but the problem with that is, see, these wired vacuum cleaners now, you'll have to carry them everywhere, to every corner of the house wherever you're cleaning it. So basically there's no portability in that, and it's not that comfortable while using it. So that's why I was looking for a wireless edition vacuum cleaner. But again, that wireless vacuum cleaner should be powerful enough and should be multi-purpose. It should not only cover simple home stuff, but should be able to do a variety of cleaning, especially tabletop surfaces and maybe my computer system behind me, and also cover my car. So that is where I came across this product from Deerma. This is Deerma's handheld wireless vacuum cleaner, guys. It's quite powerful enough, it's got a good motor inside, and the best part is it's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. That means you get different brush attachments in the box. You can easily swap them from small length to large length. It also has an extension rod inside, so you can use it for covering different type of cleaning depending on your requirement. That is awesome, right? So today in this video I'll be unboxing it and giving my review on the product. Let's get started. So Deerma's handheld vacuum cleaner comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a huge box, guys. You can see it's not even fitting on my desk. You've got the Deerma branding here, a picture of the product on the front, and as mentioned before, this is a 3-in-1 powerful handheld vacuum cleaner. There is nothing much written on the package, so without wasting any more time, let's directly get started with the unboxing. Here we go. So at the top side, we get some paperwork, which includes a user manual. Make sure to read that. Different type of brush mounts, like there's a 2-in-1 nozzle brush, a small corner cleaning brush, a power adapter for charging the cleaner, and here's the main product, Deerma's VC20 vacuum cleaner. Oh boy, it's actually quite big in size than what I imagined. I like the clean white and red theme they're going with. We'll just come back to the product in a moment. First, let's also check out the other stuff. There's a big extension tube in the box to connect all the different brush heads and use the cleaner in handheld mode. I'll give you a complete demo on how to install and use it and all that at a later part in the video. And lastly, we got a power brush mainly used for cleaning floors, carpets and mats. It's got a flexible neck to easily adjust the position, has a decent design with plain white finish, and says powered by Deerma Cyclone technology. The quality of the brush head looks pretty decent. Can't wait to test it out and see. Well, that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the vacuum cleaner's body. The VC20 has a nice handheld design, so you can comfortably hold it in multiple positions and do your cleaning job. You've got the Deerma logo here, a power button above that, and talking about the build quality is very good. The body is made of high quality polycarbonate material, and here's how the handle on it looks like. On the bottom side, you have a DC in port for charging and some info regarding the product. We have some vents as well to the side to let the air escape, and this whole filter compartment comes out easily like this, so maintenance is also not an issue. Just clean out the dust, lock and load, and you're good to go. And on the front, this is where you need to connect all the different brush heads depending on your requirement. So let me show you how to fix these attachments and use the vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at this Deerma's VC20 handheld wireless vacuum cleaner. Now what I'll do is I'll tell you how to install and use these different brush heads that you get in the package, and we'll be talking about the comfort and the operation thing and all that, guys. So first of all, this is how the design of the vacuum cleaner looks like. Let me tell you, it's a very nice looking vacuum cleaner. It's got this very comfortable type handle over here that you can use it in different positions. So pretty nice design, and I have to tell you, it looks quite premium for the price. And if you talk about the usability, see, it's very simple to use, guys. There is nothing complicated involved over here. It's like a simple plug and play device. Just connect whatever brush head that you want to connect, and depending on your requirement, just place it over here, lock it, and press the power button and you're good to go. Very simple to use. And if you talk about the comfort, see, I have to tell you, the vacuum cleaner is slightly bigger than what I imagined. The body is quite bigger, and is also not that lightweight. It weighs around like 1.5 to 1.6 kgs, guys. So it's a bit difficult to use a vacuum cleaner in one hand. You definitely have to use two hands for great adjustability, positioning and all that stuff. But apart from that, I have to tell you, it does a pretty good job. Let me tell you the specs of the vacuum cleaner also. So this Deerma VC20 comes with a powerful suction motor which has a rated power of around like 150 watts and offers a suction power of up to like 5.5 kilopascals to around 8 kilopascals. So it basically got like two modes. One is the normal mode, in that it operates around like 5.5 kilopascals, and in the turbo, which is the max mode, max suction power mode, there it goes up to 8 kilopascals. So pretty nice suction power on this. And if you talk about the battery, told you right, this is like a wireless handheld vacuum cleaner, so it does come with a built-in lithium battery, and the battery capacity is 2200 milliampere hours. We'll be coming to the battery life and all that at a later part in the video. Let me tell you about the usability. You've got these different type of mounts, right, brush heads. So basically, suppose you want to use this type of brush head, it's got a universal mount. Well, you just need to push it at the center of the vacuum cleaner like this, and that's it, you're all good to go. So this is a 2-in-1 brush head type mount, so you can either use this mount directly without the brush or simply push this brush at the top, and now you can clean using the brush. So guys, you can use this vacuum cleaner for multiple type of applications. You can use it for cleaning your carpets or maybe tabletops. You can even clean your computer using these sort of brushes, guys. Very effective. And not only that, you can even use it for cleaning your ceiling things or maybe curtains, floors, mats, basically anything, and is also great for cleaning your cars also. I'll be coming to the application parts also in a bit. So like this, guys, it's simple plug and play. You can just keep it like this or remove them directly and get going. So once after you connect all the mounts that you're looking for, just press this power button over here and the vacuum cleaner will start cleaning. Pressing once will go into the normal mode, pressing again will go into the max mode, and by third time you can power off the device just like this. This is mode 1, mode 2, which is max mode, and power off. At the back side, you even have a battery level indicator, guys, which is pretty handy. And over here, this is the vent. From here, the vacuum cleaner basically blows out the air. So that is pretty much it, guys. Now let's directly jump into the applications, and let me tell you about the performance and usability of all these different brush heads. The first type of attachment is a 2-in-1 nozzle with adjustable brush. You can use this to clean a variety of items at a shorter range. For example, it can be great for cleaning dust on sofas, chairs, tabletops, or even your computer. Let me give you a demo. My gaming PC attracts a lot of dust on the front grille over time. You can see how much dust it has accumulated, right? And it's not that easy cleaning in the normal way. Here, let's put the Deerma's vacuum cleaner to a test and see what it does. In these sort of applications, usually brush heads on the front can be great for cleaning and gathering the dust, while the vacuum cleaner will suck it off. The suction power is also pretty good thanks to its powerful 150 watt motor. As you can see, it cleans out most of the minute dust particles without any sweat. So guys, you can definitely see a difference between the cleaned area of the grill and the uncleaned area above that. VC20 did a pretty good job here. So that is what you could do with the first type of brush attachment. Now coming to this mini triangular brush, you can use this to clean the tabletop surfaces and mainly corners, especially near the walls or the cupboards, which cannot be usually accessed by the other brush heads. All those can be done using this. So let's put this thing to a test and see how effectively it cleans out all these paper bits on the surface. Not only that, even the angle of the nozzle is adjustable as per your comfort. I have to say, I've been using Deerma's vacuum cleaner since the past few days and I was quite satisfied with the results. Usually cordless vacuum cleaners do not have that good suction power as in the normal wired ones due to battery limitations. But that was not the case here. The brand did not compromise on the suction power. It's quite sufficient for home usage and gets my job done. Coming to the third type of attachment, well, this is an extension pole. It's compatible with all the brush heads in the box. It's basically used to help you out with your floor cleaning or cleaning curtains, ceilings that are out of your reach. Very high quality material pole, and it's also super lightweight. One more thing I have to tell you is the pole even has electrical contacts to send power to the floor cleaning brush. The brush easily snaps on in like one click and is all good to go. So when you power on the vacuum cleaner, the roller brush also starts rotating just like this. That is so cool, right? It rapidly spins like this and sweeps in any sort of dust on the floor. Let's just quickly put it to a test. As I told you before, the cleaner offers you full flexibility and control over the position. You can go left and right, top to bottom, any direction you want. So let me just clean up these paper bits on the floor and show you. It uses Deerma cyclone technology where the roller brush rotates almost like 3000 times per minute and sucks in any type of dust. The operation was good and was smoothly rolling on the floor. One more thing I have to mention here is, just as any other vacuum cleaner, even this was producing quite a bit of loud noise in the turbo mode. But again, for the ease of use and comfort, I'll give full marks for this product. I've already told you, right, you can use that extension pipe to clean curtains, ceilings, or places that are not easily accessible with your hand. Now let's talk about the dust collection and the maintenance part. All the dust that you clean gets accumulated in this dust chamber. It's a 0.6 liter capacity container that is powered by cyclone filtration system. It's very easy to clean this also, nothing complicated. Just rotate it in this anti-clockwise direction to remove the container, and the center red part, which consists of the HEPA filter, comes out like this. Throw out all the dust in the jar and wash this red stand once in a while to keep it clean. And that's it guys, fix it back in the position and you're all good to go. So we are almost coming to an end of the video. Let me tell you about the battery life. Deerma's VC20 comes with a 2200 mAh battery, and I'd say the battery life was decent. On a single charge, you'll get a continuous working time of around 20 to 25 minutes in the normal mode and 15 to 18 minutes in the turbo mode. Not that great, but again, it's pretty much the same situation on any wireless vacuum cleaner you take. And if you ask about the charging time, it takes around 4 hours to fully charge it. Well guys, that was my review on Deerma's VC20. It's a very good cordless vacuum cleaner for the price. Build quality is good, offers great comfort and portability, comes with 3 brush attachments for different type of cleaning requirements and offers good performance. It's great especially for cleaning and vacuuming cars. If you're also looking for a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner mainly for portability and comfort, then you can surely check out this one. Only thing is, as I've told you just now, battery life is very limited on this, so you'll have to keep charging it multiple times if you have a lot of cleaning to do. The product costs around like 11,500 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and felt it useful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.